Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to see recently watched Instagram Reels. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up your own Instagram app. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click on your Reels right here to see the newest Reels on your Instagram, and you're gonna just scroll, right? So what you're gonna do in order to keep track with your watched Reels, and you have to interact with that post, whether it was with a like or share or even commenting on this video. You will need to keep track, or at least make some interaction with this video. So unfortunately for now, this feature of recently watched reels on Instagram not available, but alternatively you can just interact with that post. And let's have an example. I want to hit like for these two posts, right, or these two reels. So in order to get back to it, I'm gonna just click on my profile icon at the below right corner, click the three bars at the top right, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to your activity. In your activity, what you're gonna see right here, the interaction, right? And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead into the likes right here, and basically you're gonna see the last two videos that that's been liked, which the videos that I showed you before. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.